How long does it typically take for a technician to fix the heat on no heat issue?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to discuss how long it typically takes for a technician to fix the heat on, no heat issue in your heating system.
What is the heat on, no heat issue?
The heat on, no heat issue refers to a situation where your heating system appears to be running, but it's not providing any heat. This can be caused by various factors, such as a malfunctioning thermostat, a broken heating element, or problems with the circulation system.
Factors affecting repair time.
The time it takes for a technician to fix the heat on, no heat issue can vary depending on several factors. 1. Diagnosing the problem. The technician will first need to identify the cause of the issue, which can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours. 2. Availability of parts. If replacement parts are needed, the technician may need to order them, which can add extra time to the repair process. 3. Complexity of the repair. Some repairs are more complicated than others, requiring more time to complete.
Average repair time.
Considering the factors mentioned above, a technician can typically fix the heat on, no heat issue in 2 to 4 hours. However, keep in mind that this is just an average, and the actual time required for your specific issue may be shorter or longer. In conclusion, fixing the heat on, no heat issue can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours on average. However, the actual time required will depend on the complexity of the issue and the availability of parts. We hope this video has been helpful in providing an estimate of how long you can expect the repair process to take.